Ladies and gentlemen, tighten your seatbelt as we take you on this.
La 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 la, run away. Wine, 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 bump a feeling of me pump on wine. Say the bump a feeling of me pump on wine. Wine, wine, la 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 la, wine, run away. Wine, wine, wine. I want your body in my hands. I want your hips in my hips. I want your fragrance in my air. I need your lips on my lips. I can't take it no more. It's so far, it's so far. Gotta be ready now. I can't take it no more. It's so close, yet so far. You should live in my heart. You like how old wine skin, but you got a new wine. Cause we did it that wine. I'm looking with the bump of feeling, I'm a bump of wine. Send it back to a wine, then the bottle. Send it on to. I say you want to. I wanna hold it. Original Batman, yeah, you never know it. Hey! Body to body, night after day. You got me going. I wanna take a green light with the whistle. Body to body.
Anyway, that you like it, oh, you know I can deliver. Maybe that's your wine. Then it takes you quick, and you hit the bump of feeling and the sex appeal. My barista drive the big and it's for
Enemies and the enemies. I wanna thank you, mama. So that's all I can say. You are the perfect woman. Good Savannah. Hey, Professor Savannah. All on the way. Body to body, night after day. I'm gonna take a green light for the whistle. Body to body. Yes, sometimes on them make a say on a very good day. Hey, prophet, you're going to achieve on behalf of Israel on a very good day. The Lord instructed him. Where see you about make sure and the Nigano go and I'm millionaire selecting the gal no go. Can I may you go optional a lot of people at the end of a pempe where Jayabo. But the Ogofat Jelobo no chineke win because at the end of the day, Pempe we make in the canko. That's what it is. A good soldier is better than so many. In so many man, just one soldier is good enough. Yotago Diroyo is good enough. Yotago. And this is how we fall into this particular edition of Birthday Splash. Never at the 103.5 FM.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Yes, the Bible, while I say that no matter what you do, seek wisdom. Seek understanding. Yesterday, after Monday, they seek Yabu wisdom, and then they seek Yabu understanding on a very good day. I just want to say a very big thank you to everybody that pulled up yesterday. Ndị ghọta ife knowledgeable, ndị ghọta no knowledgeable power on a very good day. Just want to say a very big thank you to Honorable Osakpe, Anya Fulugo. A lot of you guys did a great thing yesterday. A lot of people. Father John and CK of you people were out there. History was made yesterday. Thank you so much for being part of it. And a lot of other people. And we're fan of my brother. But thank you so much for pulling up. It's about to go down this particular edition of Birthday Splash Nebona at the 103.5 FM. Metal! Yes, we are in the building and it's about to go down right about now. Akoko Otiboju, and it's about time for us to celebrate Ndike celebrate today. As today, and when I celebrate, and you know this party right here is your party. Get involved. You send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 080-9666-1035. Yes, I cannot forget authority is more than power. We saw your authority yesterday. Thank you for pulling up. And right about it, get married. Or when amongst, they go married already. On a my guy, made this the news booty faking at him. Guys, I can't kiss your corners. Well, none of this girl, I know about the time. Just my kid going to get a bog. The guy say I'm not for good no nano. You have to just eat one America or Guahana, a manano zogo. And the show if you're now we are on a very good day. See, I'm not for 2 years in order to get enough focus on 1 year and then the Befa Hane easy give on the Panamerica only the close on the guy. Does it on another man all the time? On now, you know, the better in our check, you can oversee you can get your in-law for. Honestly, here when you can at ya. One call for my guy, you know, what they want to stay in a chain man. One one in this boutique a cobble. Now, if we cut as if now I say, okay, I'm going to young Puma and got tries, can you can know Yaboy? Manabiko can is good myself. Or Jacko is young, I'm not bad the married. Book a town where you want because I say, okay, with Zoku, because I say, I'm going to Zoku, no more than Zoku. Akoko Otiboju. It is unfolding right about Ketafo, and we are getting into it because now I have a lot to talk about. But right about Fundra, I get celebrate to go to Deacon celebrate right now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Yes, today is the birthday of Machine Gun Kelly. Yatago now Boniza get celebrating no total. His birthday. Yes, it's unfolding Ketafo. Yatago. Yes, today is also the birthday of born April 22nd, 1986 in Oxton. And I say again, happy birthday. Yes, Odigo Kosade. Today is also the birthday of a Brazilian footballer born 1982. He goes by the name Kaka, Isbotonyogu, and who always showcase his belief, and his conviction in the Lord Jesus Christ on a very good day. So today, I celebrate that he was born April 22nd, 1982. And I say again, happy birthday. Yes, get involved. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035. And right about Fundra, I have a Tabagona Jakai celebrating Deacon celebrate right about now. Remember to send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035. Now Niger today, Ndike. And Chelsea, today is the birthday of John Obi Mikel. He is a Nigerian Association football player, born April 22nd, 1987 in Jos. And I say again, happy birthday. Yes, today is also the birthday of Efe Ajagba, Nigerian boxer. Onya abu Iron Man on a very good day. If ever anya ebo ne titol in the mado, onya ubi adrema on a very good day. He's one of the Lewandowskis, born April 22nd, 1994 in Nigeria. And I say again, happy birthday. Yes, it's a great day, the 22nd day of April 2024. Now, I know that this day is a beautiful day and we are here to experience it. The Lord made it so that it is possible for us today. But today is also the birthday of a Nigerian, human rights activist and a lawyer, Nigerian lawyer who goes by the name Gani Fawemi. This is basically, posthumous, but we have to appreciate who Gani Fawemi is when it comes to, all that happened in our polity, what he contributed to Nigeria on a very good day. Born April 22nd, 1938 in Ondo State. And I say again, happy birthday. Yes, Odigo Kosa, they get involved. Let's celebrate you this morning. Today is also the birthday of Omoni Oboli, Nigerian actress, born April 22nd, 1978 in Delta State. And ask Pani again, happy birthday. Yes, we need to celebrate you. Get involved. Let's celebrate you this morning, Gudu. Today is also the birthday of Ide Umo Ime, a Nigerian royalty and politician, born April 22nd, 1906. Is, posthumous, but we have to celebrate. Happy birthday. Yes, today is also the birthday of Dimaku Fidelis, Nigerian footballer, born April 22nd, 1989 in Lagos. Happy birthday. Yes, all the go say they will need to celebrate you right about now. Get involved, let's celebrate you. Can they find a celebrator around you? Birthday, anniversary. Can they fall, but we are here to celebrate with you. Even the Passover that that is ongoing, in case a celebrator get involved, we'll celebrate with you as well. You have to go celebrate with people this morning. No, there is enough for this day. It's a beautiful day. Asena ịchọ ka izo ife from onye Igbo ma onye Nigeria. This is fact. You have to go nagide ya na akwụkwọ on a very good day. Ma onwezi onye ya achị dia. Ọ dị ka ihe kwuo eziokwu. But we must, elevate ourselves as a people the way we seek this knowledge. Because n'ọzọ emena nsogbu ekwusiri okwu wee kwuo Igbo chọwa power. What is power? Power is knowledge. So check it out on Amazon.com. Martin Ifan Shkwekeze, yours faithfully, authored it. Hip hop and Igbo culture, all the right there. But right about Fundua, as we proceed to give you what you need, satisfaction, guaranteed. It's time. Let's get ready to rumble.
Akoko Otikpoju. Yes, Akoko Buso right now, and we'll get Anakawan and Kiba as well. And is a fella in the other room should be abolished. You have to go Nujo Nobonadia on a very good day. Now, some people now know what the activities of the other room. Sometimes the fact that I'm mad on no catalog of Blues available problem on a very good day. As I said, Senator is a fella on a very good day. If you get it, you get it. If you don't get it, you are not supposed to get it. All the go I don't know, and we'll talk about it right about now. Akukon Kizi, I do but Akukon Bastalo, go on. The general, former head of state of Nigeria, he is 89 years old, and the wife is 77 years. Yesterday, they celebrated their 55th wedding anniversary. Obolo Ifedema Marefu on a very good day. You have to go, Katakundi no Siotua, but when Ogide till now, they are there. They celebrated at Anglican Cathedral Church of Christ, Marina, Lagos, Obolo Belefe. So we celebrate with him as well.
So everybody has congratulations. All the reason 55 years marriage and if we are all these but I'm alone a lot of times for the self other most day 1 year self oku I go there to Sinana when I'm get her even up to the head because so many years what require any can people up to the head because so many years what require any can people no, so we thank God and how do you set this example now with God not possible and I didn't want to give you so how do you see
okay. Lesson, younger generation to learn from them. And one of the people so now Motaya lesson of Weblo Stephanie Linus Idahosa, they celebrated their 13th years and wedding anniversary. Yotago yesterday, as well. So on Instagram, have post to Gasintify Yotago Gosigasia, Nahano go for 13 good years, and they are happy that they are still together. The caption says, cheers to 13 years of amazingness and beautiful, building beautiful memories and dreams together each year, always better than the last. Happy 13th anniversary to us. All hope fans when I celebrate this year. Kayabi Pesia. I was to celebrate Yamana classic. Yeah, no, also now that Koya the married the Cossel under the single. Almost like a hasipo. Hajubon or Kaibo wine Kezoku, or Kaibi Ezoku, anything with Kaiwanaga Panero still.
Well, if one day on our walk. So, yes, and here the one Yabuna, DK to allow both of you, 2 of you, and God gave me a care or walk, or soon did see who could not to pass it in a both you. Yes, also Saga because as of course, I about when I process on the Kakun, yes, soon get your watching again.
Yes, and then single people I say about if them men will super help out. Oh, when I can you because we care about the single person and as an perfect is the Fagwalia or a very good day. So that on a while for no if I will call I was saying if I say marriage as soccer, as the Obronia boy the single and the bog, Ebana annual marriage or a very good day. Akụkọ Otikpoju onwe onye nke dị single no kata the same fat okwefu ọgụ di na nwunye adị megbuzi asị aka ife men ọsị na ụbọchị ka ndị nke n'ụkpọrọ ya gbata ọgbalụ jebe dị a olukwa ana dị agbusi ọgụ no hotel aka 2 days later ndị a chịkọ ọnụ busokwanya nwa ọ na very good day ọsị na since na onye kpọọ ya gbatazi ya mba na adịmabịa ebusokwa m jebelu na onwe unu Akụkọ Otikpoju. Yes, akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji nwabata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụrụ akụkọ gbasara Nollywood and onye na-ekwu okwu wee bụrụ onye a na-enejela anya asị nna anyị sacrifice oife lọrọ people kpọrọ good day, but a sacrifice by he contribute to all one on a very good day. No proper sacrifice and does on a Nigeria, you have to go on a very good day. So when I say that YouTube not going to last as a platform in Nigeria. Or where say now so many people they so focused on in a shoot to movies or short movies or films Ghana did very detrimental to professionalism what was we describe or saying a lot of sustainability in Haneme and long-term sustainability on a very good day. Now can shoot to proper stories can shoot here by standard or to shoot to you go ahead now a lot of people there was a trend of people in a charge go even the actors when it comes to normal the traditional movies they shoot on a very good day but na aman last you have to go ahead because now in a shoot to just short things now nata nnukwu ego kedu ka o si dị possible n'ihe niile a ga-adị sustained now take for instance the whole irony of a one-day shoot. It is not sustainable. Some of them now make it so difficult for producers. They tell you a day shoot is 1 million naira or 1.5 million naira. It isn't sustainable. My brother, no we found out a lot of them. Maybe in a mother makia, you go hot system move. At this time, I know yes, you go from just cassettes, CDs, and all of that. Web button and soft copies, then baby social media and all of that. YouTube being a platform and your content creators opportunity to create content the way they want. For me personally, I don't think this thing is going away easily just like that. About Nollywood and some of the challenges that they will face about this thing. And another filmmaker, Nollywood actress that goes by the name Crownzy Anyang, or when I call that na problem on Nollywood henka and you problem Nollywood a lot of people on Nollywood the diabolic. You have to go ahead and then when the Nefagazajo, the Hamal if I know when it comes to email magic. So now I be Nollywood down. My sister can hear me when I hear these two individuals in the Kuna. I when I got panel still.
If a mother adult like a real adult, life. Well, I am a also like I never like not equal. Take care easy when I try echo now. All changes we had a constant. More able. I am also has to wear video that edit like I said and all this thing buying a CD and everything. So also now when I gonna all to this extent now. So but I was the annual Juena after the whole thing also when I call that now Palike or mom last or two has a mayor now. But I think I see well all changes down we had and I am more that good YouTube and all that thing they call her opportunity. Or make money from their work. So and on a lot of people like if I are into production that he produced all these things. So a kind of opportunity to go really for them.
Okay.
Never near how is the league organize in a way gets you help how we grow. Yes. Yes. So how about there?
Anyway, the thing there is the thing, the possibilities of these things you have to go those ways to aim on social media on a very good day, but more of the things we keep the fear about like but say I'm not at all of a sudden Facebook now matter or below now pipe under the ocean on a very good day because we're affected the matter. Only couple this kind of challenges going out to Jalaka, but here they documented on a very good day. So once your views are there, you are getting your money. Go to whether within the car plus adverts from so many things and run gases on all those platforms in order to make money. So no on your malo, you have to go or cover on a very good day. But if you don't know, you don't know. But you not go know till you want to know. Go to us whether on a very good day. And if you need to know, it's what I never I don't want to trade off FM. Say the right about now, and we are moving forward. The next story we have for you this morning, where Bolokwano about a Nigerian Islamic preacher who goes by the name Bello Muhammad. On what advice on your room, okay, or saying Yaseka, is an AGC Macaifa Fafocase na TV and all of that. And they decided to Hagana the activity of SFL, or I said there is not clear evidence of prohibiting oral sex we know. But a brother, stop. Oyoku, please stop giving heads. Use any other thing, but not the tongue. My sister, can you hear when I get still?
Well, advice nka ọ na-enyekwa na o nwere reason o ji wee na
advice.
So okay, o nwere reason oge ji wee na-enye ya wụ advice, and I think ọ dịsịrị ndị ọ na-enye ya bụ advice consider nke kalụ ha mma iteke advice ha enye ha maọbụ na ha ma nteke, because na although ọ gawara ụfọdụ isi not because of this or because of that ka o ji wee na-asị ha emeno now, but really maybe na o nwere ihe ọfụ oge ji wee sị ha emenụta, mana enyidigwa ka enebanye ya bụ ihe anya mara otu o si aga, weda ma ihe a ga-akwụsị kpamkpam ka a ga-akọntinu, but ịkwụchakwa enukwu a na otu o si wee sọkwa ya onye ọ ga-asị ikwucha anyị n'otu o si wee masị ya ka a ga-esi wee mee, anyị kwesịrị ịma ihe a kwesịrị ịma ebe ahụ.
So classic na-agwa anyị in essence n'ọkwa otu o si wee sọ onye ka o esi sọkwa onye ka o mee ife ọ chọrọ ime n'isi onwe ya. So ndị ọ sọrọ onye yọtago mmalụzi ọ na-emekwa ihe gụrụ ụnụ. But the truth there is that now the man makwa exactly what he's saying. In from spiritual perspective, and we can you go this is a fellow na course on a very good day. Mane bataze egwa ifilo makasalo, you know, is a fellow kayabu mokes will go se fele bataze egwa ifilo na yabe. So food right about now. Akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji mabata n'ụtụtụ a bụ na onwe nwoke nwa ya yọtago na asa abụmas, nwa ya wee jee sa abụmas, fada wee nwụrụ n'ofu nwa nkịta ya mụgasị. Nya nkịta fada mụrụ a lot of nwa, fada maazị fọ ya ụmụaka niile ọ nọkata ọsị ka ya ga igbo asọm ewe wee were ụfọdụ nwunye masaba nwụrụ nkịta nata n'ụlọ ya, mana papa masaba na-agwụla ma ọ nabụla n'anyasị. So ọ na-eme anyasịzi yọtago the man na-agwụla nkịta wee na-akụsu because egwu balị alụ ka ọ nụ ka mmadụ na-eme ọ sị na ka eyi mustaba ife na-agbọsi ụja ike on a very good day. But this led to the fact that nwunye si ọga ihe eje ka eje malife mere ụlọ ya na-agwọ on a very good day. Anya ka isi wee wet ise ndị ya onye ọbụla ma nkịta ji nwaanyị na-ezuru onwe ike ya ama ife ya eme ihe a. The man wee move wee jee ka ọ jee mee surgery yọtago ka wee kwụsị enyo egwu ụra on a very good day. Nke a kịta n'India ka ọ nọkwa na-eme. The man in the process o wee ghọzi onye nwụrụ anwụ ebe a na-achọ ka eme surgery ka e wee nwee ike kwụsị ya ịgwọ ụra on a very good day. Ọ bụrụ na enwere onye na-agwọ ụra n'ụwa anyị ama na enwe ife a na-akpọ ịgwọ ụra. That's the question. Yọtago ọgwanụ Chineke mee ka some people na-agwọ ụra. And the thing is, maybe it's an indication that the room will be yours alone for the night. Yọtago onye ọbụla je chọzie ka ha esi mee. Or if you must be around them, make sure you eat earpiece when you are sleeping. One thing like he will cook, I when I get still.
Yeah, ọnwụ ya bụ nwoke nwere otu o si wee dị obutelu because na ihe ọ bụrụ eziokwu na ụfọdụ ada like ka onye ya na ha nọ n'akụkụ bụrụ onye ga na ọ na-alarụ ụra ọ na-agwọ ya bụ ụra na-eme ya bụ mkpọtụ na-disturb ụfọdụ ma ha na-alarụ ụra. So mana nke a asịzi ya gazi aka ọ gaa mee surgery because of it o wee tizie ebe ahụ wee bụrụzie onye nwụrụ anwụ. So icheki wezie ya na na-asị kedụzi nke ka alụ gị ma ọ karọ ma na kama ọ bụ na ị ga-edine na rum ọzọ ị nọrọ na nke ahụ nyanwa nọrọ na ọzọ onye ọbụla at least ọ dị ndụ wee na-achọ ihe a ga-eme ya ka o wee reduce nata because na ọ dị ka nke ya bụ nke ndị too much no matter ọbụgo na ọjọọ
onye nke ya bụ too much ka na-agwa because na-enwe ndị na-agwọ ụla na ọ gwọrọ ụla teta of nnukwu onye ọzọ na-azụ ya 60 good hours ya na-asụ chess. And chess, when we talk about chess, I had ekwukwa maka ikpunye mmadụ okpu eze on a very good day. We are talking about all those ones. Nke nwee pawn, nwee queen, nwee king, yotago, nwee bishop. Onya ka ọ na-eme on a very good day. Where the beer there, a lot of people they are content there with him. Within 60 hours, this man beat everybody. He remained unbeaten till the end. And Onya boy in Nigeria, Onya even senators, they celebrate here. Nigerians they celebrate here for the feat because Nobolo Belefe. Neihoku or say I'm trying to break the Guinness World Record for the longest chess marathon here in Times Square. The current record is at 56. 56, but we are trying to do 60s to smash the record, and we are doing this to create awareness and raise support for the dreams of millions of children in Africa without access to education. So this is why I'm doing it, because because knowledge is power. And he goes by the name Onakoya achieve this feat. Or easy. To chess on a very good day. Just 2 moves in and make. I say checkmate each one mic.
Well, I celebrate here.
Yes.
Oge obido yabo it's yabo chesa 60 iya okuloga aga and no we go mad 10 already. I was by the time was there as no we go mad 10 myself. I was so surprised. I was like so because now I'm moduro easy just so if any other person can be back again to buy not here and for you to have that confidence, that courage, equal that they got on we break a world record now and I'm surprised now no finish any hair and also no just go away win the Guinness World Record for children education honey. So now way and Tineke support your work conclude in such a way that no nobody celebrate here. So I hope that that certificate that you may normal of and then yabo hope one that no more in education and in of so and I'll try only like I said I talk I now know about Nigerians outside you didn't break record so I'll try
yes whether outside or not or even in Nigeria you can still break record as a Nigerian may represent of anything you have to go the good at it in a feeling inferior about the people of the other world. Some of the people if are over there you might know more better than them on a very good day. On a very good day if I feel on food right now classic one or two when I got still classic.
Okay, so I'll kind of where blow Mundine celebrate a birthday over the weekend. So a lot of them were there with the things how they celebrate. So when I can't work with with the amala that's a where do soup and
amala ne
where do soup where will candle what in
Lieutenant Ahab, my suggestion here. I will go on the money. If we are here, or if we go back to town, always only more credit, no more what I have. If we no one and when absence of kids, see cook just the rice. Yeah, he put the rice in the tray. A well candle tin it and when Martin, you have to go cut one rice over. That's it. People are doing it. Oh, to is in Yakata.
Moya get akara and bread
yes
and other thing. Well, others use for cake and other things that normally celebrate birthday. Money even with a couple of had women, the mother say happy birthday, yes. Celebrate
the madam like in the madam the value of you with akara tea and bread. You have to go nuku cake can have a fad. Very good day. Boya watakara boya ni me bread fix it up together you did aka what a cake beat ya can na kwara ge or go close at them kind of for the still.
Okay, so another whatever blow because of that EFCC now actually in the bottle national music go na any spray go and all those things. So a lot of people now suggesting now where is it I get you so that car I listen onyangu melon care on a question so someone that suggesting why not say if you email transfer for that suggesting why what of like a box so that in the morning gonna drop go have like offerings and then church. So a lot of people were like na hana come to has my party, my birthday, my everything, and they were afraid.
Yes,
business
it's free,
friends,
ego.
ego, and they were like, "Can you look at my guess? I mean, I can't work for the idea." Save.
Anyway, all the go is the nka kwudo me one couple ji wee invent ya their own way is when a spray ya bụ ego na wedding pa yotago pa calculate go ze ka esi mesia wedding na mmadụ ama bomb mmadụ ego here. They now decided. So they said in a bid to adapt to changing times, comply with legal regulations, a Nigerian man has devised a creative solution to the tradition of money spraying at parties. In his viral video circulating on social media, the man who was celebrating says that the video, in the video, he was dancing joyously at his party while guests enthusiastically showered him with cash. However, instead of the conventional practice of directly throwing money in the air onto the celebrant, guests were observed placing their monetary gifts into an open box strategically positioned beside him. Oh, to akos we may have a so obon HI something ego ya name boss otu ahụ si dị otu a amakwa na ihe ya gbagbote on a very good day because ndị mmadụ chọrọ ka egosi ihe ha gwapụta ịghọtago na ọ bụla obere ego ka ha ji bịa ọ ya bụ the entire thing ị na-asịzi ya gosi ya na nzuzo ọ na-ewute mana Kraịst gwara anyị na ọ bụrụ na ị chọọ inye ife ya aka nni gị na-enye ya bụ ife aka ekpe ga amakwa n'ife inye otu o si dị last it's about time for you to get involved and tell us what you think of all of this. Akụkọ oti poju. Yes, I want a message in our WhatsApp. Say good morning to you, Honorable Sam Metal and Lady Classic of the Nation. It's still them. It's still me, the youngest Fayo from Unkodes, and I'm celebrating. I'm wishing all the celebrants of today happiest birthday. Let's move on. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Yes, we also have this message. This one is coming from Esther from Ifteduna, and she said, "Good morning, Metal and Classic. I'm using this medium to congratulate our former president Yakubu Gowon in their 50." Like you said, 52nd, but his 55th marriage anniversary. And he says, may God strengthen their marriage and may other couples learn from their example. I say happy marriage anniversary, Esther from Iftedunu. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. My name is Olugo Mwe Becha in our puta. What that puta again? Becha go in 07034 459334.
07045592210.
Let's hear from you right about now. Hello.
Metal and Classic.
Hey, nobody else today. No.
Good morning to both of you.
Welcome,
Good
sir.
morning.
Good morning. Yes. Download cable. Gabaniru sir.
First of all, let's celebrate all the celebrants of today.
Yeah.
And we are saying back up on the account and in our account also.
Amen.
Yes, more years to them. In terms of the Ebola, let's stop the Kianianism before it comes to
Iberiberism. Yes.
Because somebody tell you now what to know we are about our stress. Man, we are the complete. Man, our stress. Or where the phone off. You know, wine and we are more about how like that because we are our stress. We are talking, I don't know the message. We are the Savannah and Summer. At the end, it's not happening as they do at the end. So please, so another. So when I do that, I can't take a more to be complete. No, not the other one. You have to tell not not you as a young man at the end of the day, but yes, you will. So you see that now, when I pull out there, one not a puller.
Yes.
When I go out there, I mention my brother, I can't know a puller. But someone can make a one. So the best thing, there's no need of country in terms of people.
Yes.
There's no need of country.
We should just learn to accommodate each other.
Yes, we should just learn to accommodate
each other.
Yes, not political part of us. You know.
No.
So that is my take.
Okay.
In terms of prego. In terms of this prego, EFCC for me, I don't think it's worth doing now.
Okay.
Because Nigeria itself needs to fix. The Naira itself needs to be fixed.
Okay.
Naira was value.
Mm.
The country, everything is no longer working normal.
Yeah.
People are pouring money in the federal there. And EFCC are not there to see them. Besides, who is investigating EFCC? Are there anybody?
Okay.
Are there anybody to provide to investigate EFCC?
Yes, I think every agency, every force, and all of that have their own internal disciplinary concept or contraption that takes care of maybe illegal activities by their operators and all of that. So I think that's the way to go. But the fact that what they are doing, it still remains their job to do so on a very good day.
For two big men, they will not do them anything. Even if they catch you now, they're not going to do you anything. Now money they will call for you. What?
You go pay your money.
You pray for them.
Okay.
At the end. And I can have a senior prophet. And I can a senior prophet. I can even in an apple now.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Amen. Dalo.
Thank you.
Yes, let's hear from you right about now. Hello. In the whiskey.
Of the Niger Bongo Bank.
Professor. No.
Good morning, sir.
The pure shaker. The one
Welcome, Professor.
Classic. Any EFCC, you work at no. So give me that way of that also. One kind of Professor Ogidi.
Yes.
So it's a matter of people in water and when go with their nature.
Okay.
And when they water with their nature, man, me water on it is so about. And they're far back. Okay, they told them when I was I did a conceal. My guy won't do it. Look at what father you were may at that time. They work, I don't do it whenever I did. When I was own 9 to 1 over the my brother came for an water book. And you know what I am many water again. Until you stop where or in shit at that room for. Then went over their nature. My name is highest is Gaba who never have boys. My name is here, member operation. Who go to body, if we were leaders, so they're good.
Yes.
When I go to a my candidate guy, Erika, only on a man on our board, and you never get situation.
Can you forget makes you move into your subconscious, or the subconscious is in control? the conscious one, I was in control. Hello, Professor. I tell you that
Hello,
good morning.
Good morning.
We thank the Lord.
Happy Monday.
Yes, same to you, my brother.
I don't know if you are
We thank Chineke na man. Hello, my brother. No, Gabani Rusa. Man name Ogo, some days Zoga Abata, Yotago, if the mother Nakaman Ogo, no, Oga Gabani Rusa. Okay. Okay. I hope we need that wall. I'm going to look at live. Gabani Rutila, I don't know. Wow. Yeah. So, Kobo say celebrate is and Keba ya mapota. Yeah, no hobo. Oh, to super 6. Dalo, okay. Okay, so Oh yeah, private jet the obu private jet ajebe Hawaii holiday. Dalo, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Dalo, let's hear from you right about now. 07034 45 9334.
07045592210.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Francis at the Mexico.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome, my brother.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, it's Lord Hanez Afagana Bisa Boy Gavanirusa. Oh,
okay.
no, Gavanirusa. Okay.
Like a couple.
Yes.
Mana a na-eche elu onye ọbụla na o si n'otu onye si dị na otu onye si mana ọ bụrụ na isi na-ewe onye na-agwụ ụlọ ma afọ na-amata afọ na ịmata ha n'afọ gị na di na ọ ga na-ele ya ọ ga na-adịlu ka m nwere experience a na-aba anyị na one of my brother na-akwụkwado ụlọ mana ọ chọọ ha na-ebi ya ndị ezi na-etinye ha aka ọ na-agazi n'akụkụ ọ madozi afọ na ala ahụ like nwa akpụkọrọ m onye ụlọ mana ọmada afọ na na egwuola na gales ya nwere mgbe ọda ọdarị agwụ ka karịrị ọ na-esi ma ọtọ ọdụ ada emetrabụ abatago m onye ndị haziri gị na wee ghọtago
with private jet again.
Yes. Onye ka ji wee pụọ na-ejikwa m ya wee pata ọ gatakwana chụba
na Chinua Achebe Airport.
Anọ m ya n'agha.
Let's hear from you right about now. Can you hear? Hello. Hey, Negodia brother. No, Okogo. Welcome, sir. Good morning. Hello, just check any about. Yes. 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 Welcome, sir. Gabaniru. Hey, yeah. Oh, yeah, one fuck about your radio. Can I mean it of my it is a lie on no. Okay. Hello. My brother, because I want to EFCC. No problem. No message. I lose one-on-one. Where is it? Abi.
Thank you very much.
Adima, good morning.
Good morning. After for get no video now. So let's see on like onye na-agwa ụla.
Yes.
Wee jee ka o mee surgery. Maka ịgwa ụla. So na-asị na nke ahụ adịrọ mma onye nwa. Etu ya si ahụma na mba. Because na ịgwa ụla anụnwa na-abụ onye na-eji na ajọ ndị oke mmanya. Ịṅụsị oke mmanya pụta atọkpọrọ na akwa ụla. Isi oke mmiri na-aba abanye adịrọ mma itu enyi mmiri dị nwewe. So that you do free. If you free, how much in our game? What you say? The car, yeah, again. I'm not fun. We you see you now by any side about John Dina.
Mana enwe kwando na dem ihe ni na mo ye.
So also we follow because yes big guy after that. If they can't no one work on it fine.
Enwe kwa